Hello my dear students, today I am here again Pooja Arora. Today I will show you about notice writing, how we can score full out of full mark, 4 pure marks in board examination. Only in 10 minutes score full marks, how we can. Total marking is 4 mark, we can score it. The 4 mark is divided in particular pattern, particular scheme pattern. The first mark is format. Format means we can write in particular box. If we write particular box, we can score 1 mark, and 2 marks particular content means which content we are writing in the box. And expression is not behavior like the student कैसे लिख रहा है, क्या expression है. No, it is a grammar. Totally the grammar portion is right. No spelling errors. And the understanding the particular notice. If you have good expression, you have got it 1 mark. So finally we got 4 marks. Follow this rules, then I will follow and I will guide you how we can score 4 marks. What is notice writing? A notice is a short piece of communication written in a formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. It's a small communication, and this is a written format they have written. Then we have the convey the group, particular group and the organization. Notice is a particular. Then we can express in a format. What is the format of notice writing there? First we write this institution if I have given, then leave a line, again notice, date and caption, leave a line, content 40 to 45 word, name and designation of the issue of authority. This is the format of the notice writing. Now we will discuss how we can write, how we can score 4 out of 4 marks. Point to remember, a notice is written in within a box. If I am written, notice is written within a box, we can score 1 mark. Second point, the name of the school or issuing authority is written on the top in capital letters. We always write school name in capital letter in center alignment of the box. Next one is the word notice should be mentioned in a capital letter. When we write notice, we always remind that when we write notice, not use small caps letter, we can always use capital letters. The notice should be simple and concise, and tone should be impartial and formal. Don't roll, we always use formal words. Next step is it must contain all the relevant information related to the subject, including date, time, place and any other detail if required. Please check notice a particular information is given or not. That's it. In case of lost object, the notice must include detail of what was lost, when was it lost, where it was lost. First, twice read the topic, then find out who is the owner and when lost, where lost, in case in any lost object especially. Next, in the found object, the object of the object should not be mentioned in case. On the lower left bottom corner, notice the name and the designation of the person writing the notice. Means who write the notice, they write the name and designation in the left of the corner. Then we will proceed. Again, I am revise it again. First rule is there when we write in the particular format, particular box, and write school name in capital letters written, and leave one line and write notice in capital form again, and write date left hand side. Caption whether is it found, whether is the lost, depend on your notice, and again leave a line. And content, this is a content, this is only 40 to 45 words only. Not to worry about it, this is very easy, already given in the question. 40 to 45 words, we can score 2 marks. 1 marks we can score in this format, then we can score 2 marks in the content, and the last one, name the designation of the issuing authority, and 1 mark we can score as per the grammatical and the spelling error over there. Then first we will take an example. You have found a pen drive in the school. You have found a pen drive in a school computer lab as TR draft a notice to be put up on the school notice board in about 15 words. Very easily. Where we found? Computer lab. Who found? Tia. Who write the draft? Tia. If not given the school name, write XYZ. Then I will proceed the question. Again, I am taking twice the question. Read it. First, organization name should be capital letter. I written over there because don't mention the school name. Then I will XYZ. Then again, left one line. Notice in capital letter in center of the box. Right, left hand side we can write date and caption. Caption, they have found it. Found. If you lose, then lose. Now time for content. Nothing else. A brand new pen drive has been found in the school computer lab in that day. The claimant can take it from the undersigned after giving the detail. That's it. एक पेन ड्राइव मिली है that date में, this day, and if you have particular, then please take it me. And who write this notice? Tia. And if not mention a particular class, you can write XYZ in the particular class. This is very simple way. In this pattern we can score 4 marks. Again, tips to remember regarding notice writing: be precise and to the point. It is a formal form of communication, so the language should be formal as well. Keep the sentence short and use simple words. Use passive voice as far as possible. Present your notice in a proper format in a box. Please remind these steps. When we write these steps, we can again 4 marks. We can secure 4 marks. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it, and please write your comment if you want more videos in grammar portion. Thank you. Have a great day.